In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail not receiving notifications. Understanding this process is crucial because receiving timely notifications ensures you never miss an important email. Let's start by turning on Gmail Sync. First, open the Gmail app on your device. This is your gateway to accessing all your emails and settings. Once the app is open, look for the menu icon. It's represented by three horizontal lines. Tap on it to reveal more options. This menu is your main navigation tool within the app. It helps you quickly access different settings and folders. After opening the menu, tap on the Settings option. It's usually located towards the bottom of the list. Selecting this will take you to the area where you can customize your Gmail account preferences. From here, choose the account you want to adjust. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you select the correct one. This is important because settings are specific to each account, ensuring the right one receives notifications. Now, once you've selected your account, scroll down until you find the Data Usage section. This section controls how Gmail uses data on your device. It's essential for managing how often your emails sync. Under Data Usage, you will see an option labeled Sync Gmail. Go ahead and turn on Sync Gmail. This action is crucial as it ensures your device regularly checks for new emails, improving your notification reliability. By enabling sync, you ensure that your app communicates with the Gmail server. This means your inbox stays updated with the latest messages. Once sync is activated, you should start receiving notifications for new emails. It's that simple, and it keeps you informed at all times. Let's review why this step matters. Syncing Gmail is vital because it maintains a real-time connection with your email server. Without it, you might only see new emails when you manually refresh your inbox. This step saves you time and ensures you never miss important emails. Now that you've turned on Gmail Sync, your notifications should improve. However, if you're still experiencing issues, consider checking your device's notification settings. Sometimes, device settings can override app preferences. Ensuring both are aligned will provide a seamless email experience. Remember, keeping your notifications active is key to staying connected. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've ensured your Gmail notifications are set up correctly. It's a straightforward process, but one that makes a significant difference in how you manage your communications. Thank you for following along today. With these changes, you'll stay informed and never miss an important message again.